This cell is completely dead. The corrosion has reached the core.
This module shows a slight voltage drop. Let's check the balance on these cells.
I'm pulling up the schematics now. Lift it up together, nice and slow. I have this side perfectly lined up. Hold it right there while I secure it. Perfect, it fits like a glove now. Make sure that the line on this panel is aligned. I need the clip for this side over here. I've got it right here. System checks are looking solid. Alignments are perfect here.